Hey Diva Dolls, this is CRYSTALCHANEL and I am back with a brand new video for my channel. I did partner with Hot Miami Styles. They are one of my favorite brands to work with, and today I have this try on haul for you, which is very extra, very cute, perfect for going out, being on vacation, whatever. If you want to see what it is that I picked up, stay tuned. So let's just get right into it. This is a two-piece set and I'm just showing you here how stretchy it is. Y'all, the material and the quality of Hot Miami Styles, I just freaking love. Now this two-piece set, I was able to stretch over my hips. My hips are like 52, 53 inches. So this is all in a size large. I think the colors remind me of like the Miami Dolphins. I'm not a fan or anything, but I think the colors are really cute. The way that this fits, as you can see, it goes down to my ankles, so I love that. I would wear this with heels or a cute sneaker. I think the top is really big, but again, it's like an oversized hoodie and it's just a really cute, chic, casual set. So if you're going to the movies, if you're going on a date, I mean, it makes your booty look good. Like, I really like this set. I think it's very thick, it's very warm, and I feel sexy in it. With Hot Miami Styles, a lot of what I can say is that their clothes are made well, and they are costly, like a little bit more than you're probably used to with other brands, but the quality is just impeccable. I love Hot Miami Styles because I always feel like a vixen. I feel like a baddie. I just absolutely love it. So this is a two-piece set. I love me two pieces, y'all. Like, I love two pieces because you can wear them with different bottoms or different tops, but this is a very soft, cozy, stretchy two-piece set. Again, great for date night. Anything you see me rock with Hot Miami Styles is great for date night or vacation. Now this top is that fuzzy material that's really popular right now. It's very stretchy. The color is like a taupe. It's very warm. I was warm recording in this, so even though it's a halter top, it's still really warm. I'll put my measurements and my bra down below my size, but this top does show a bit under my bra, so I was thinking about wearing a bra that's like lacy or maybe like a cage bra just for the detail, but I just love this set. Okay, next is this dress. Y'all, when I saw this dress, I just had to have it. I love it so much. This dress comes in a red color as well, so grab that for Valentine's Day. But this is a really thick material. I love the material. It's thick, it holds you in. I love the hardware. It's like a rose gold as far as the little eyelets that you see. The fabric just feels amazing. I love the pleats. I love how it shapes me. I wore it this past weekend, y'all. I got so many compliments with this dress. It was a little short, but I wore it with heels. Be sure to check out my Instagram at Chrissy the Doll. I slayed. Y'all loved my outfit, but long story short, I absolutely adore this dress. Now, depending on how hippie you are, it may come down longer, but it's like a mini dress on me, but I still rocked it. I loved it. You can definitely wear shapewear if you're interested. All of this stuff I'm wearing, I'm not wearing with shapewear, so you can get a true idea of how it looks. But really cute dress, and I definitely recommend it. Okay, now with Hot Miami Styles, everything is so glitzy, glammy, and girly. Like, I absolutely love this dress. I can see myself wearing this dress out. Again, really great for club night, really great for date night, birthday, anniversary, whatever. So I love this dress because of the colors of the sparkles. It's like a gold and rose gold color. I'm hoping you can catch it on film, but it's really sparkly, very beautiful. I love that I'm not wearing a bra with this. I try to go without bras as often as possible. I just think it looks more natural. I love that it has a lining underneath, so I think the quality of the dress is amazing. It's not see-through. In the back, they have adjustable straps, so if you didn't want to wear a bra because it comes down low in the back, you do not have to. But this particular dress I think is so cute. It's a mini dress. You can really rock it out for your birthday. I would wear this to a dinner. Like, it feels so stretchy. It feels so amazing. I can't stop talking about it. I just love this dress. Now, I have a lot of questions when it comes to the actual customer service of Hot Miami Styles. I love their system. They will let you know when you confirm your order. They let you know when your order ships. They let you know your order has arrived. Their customer service has been impeccable. I know I'm an influencer. I hope that has nothing to do with it. These emails seem to be automatic, so definitely rest assured their customer service is A1. So when it comes to shipping, items come fairly fast. My items came priority mail, so we all know that takes between 2 to 4 days. I think you would just want to double check when you are checking out as far as shipping is concerned. Now this jacket, I have so many fur jackets, but I'm just obsessed with them. I love this one because of the crop. It's like a crop jacket. I love that it's like furry. It's like a kind of fur that blows easy in the wind, but I love that it closes. It's silk lined. Well, it may be satin, I don't know. But long story short, it's a faux fur jacket, really affordable. I actually want to rock this, obviously with something dressy, but also I can see myself dressing down with like a hoodie, some jeans, and some heels, pumping through the airport. Okay, so I really wanted to test out their clothes for a curvy figure that's a little bit plus, like plus size, you know, holla, I'm out there for the curvy girls. But I would have to say their clothes are very versatile and they're very forgiving. So this is their maxi split dress. I love the color. It's like a pink rosy color. I love the fact that it's all sequin. I love how long it is. You can wear it with heels. This didn't support me that well on my chest area. I'm definitely gonna have to grab some tape. But I do like this because it has inside like a bodysuit attached. So I have it unfastened, but you can always fasten it. I don't know if I'll be able to fasten it. Sometimes one pieces don't work for me, but their dresses are impeccable, y'all. This is actually probably my favorite dress. I'll probably wear this on Valentine's Day. I don't know, but this dress will hold you in. This dress has a built-in padded bralette. This dress is blinged out, honey. Like, look at the detail. Like, this dress is worth every little bit of $79.99. If you want a comfortable dress that sucks you in, that's very stretchy, feels very comfortable, you don't have to wear any undergarments with this dress. Of course you can, but honey, you don't have to. Like, I just think this dress is beautiful. The color is great. The fabric is stretchy, but it's a thick stretchy. I love that the straps are actually adjustable. I didn't realize that until after I took it off, but you can adjust the straps. So again, I am in love with Hot Miami Styles dresses. Now this one I loved because I'm thinking about Valentine's Day for y'all, and I want you to have some options. You don't have to always go with red or pink. This is like a wine color. It's a deep red and it's really pretty. I think the back is super sexy. It shapes you like, oh y'all, I couldn't believe, like, I already got a big booty, I know, but this dress really makes your booty stand out. It accentuates your waist because it snatches you in. It covers up your rolls. I mean, only thing I can say is this didn't have a lot of support for my chest. So again, I'm gonna have to invest in some bra tape. But long story short, I love this dress. It's a great length. It's sexy, but it's not too vixenish, you know? It gives you that really good balance, and I think the dip and the detail in the back is just really sexy, and that's probably my favorite part of the whole entire dress. Definitely do not rule out a dress because of the back. You got to get it on, try it on, see what it looks like. Check out my videos. I'm here as a resource for you dolls. Now, last but not least, we have this top. This top is a crop top. So again, you got to wear a bralette underneath or a bra that's cute because you can kind of see through, like the bottom, as you can see, is kind of like poking through my bra. But this is a really casual shirt. I can wear this with some leggings and some boots or some sneakers. It's pretty warm, but it is like a knit. So I'm pretty sure if it was breezy outside, I would be cold. But it's lightweight, so for those days that are temperamental, like here down south, it's hot 1 minute and then cold the next. This would be like a cute layering piece. But I really do think the practical simple tops from Hot Miami Styles are still really cute and will be great for date night. Okay, dolls, so that is it. Again, tell me what you think. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Also, if you shopped Hot Miami Styles before, let me know how it was for you. I appreciate the quality. I still would say this is one of the top 5 to 10 places I love to shop online. The quality is always on point. The prices are fair. The sizing works. That's why I do these videos, to help you with the sizing as well. They have their sizing chart, so pay attention to that. But all in all, I cannot complain about Hot Miami Styles. If you again shop their looks, let us know with a comment down below. Also, I'll put my sizes to everything as well as my personal measurements down below. If you haven't already followed me on Instagram and on Snapchat, be sure that you do that. And my name is @ChryssyTheDoll. Also, be sure that you are subscribed to this channel as well as my fitness and my vlog channels, and I'll put those links down below in the box. Again, I want to say thank you to all you diva dolls who tune in, watch my videos, share my videos, and all that good stuff. I want to say thank you so much for your love and support, and as always, stay fabulous and stay fierce.